The Strive High Performance System report recently came out and shows Hawaii Public Schools continue to recover from the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. To share more insight, we have joining us this morning Assistant Superintendent Elizabeth Higashi and Kipapa Elementary School Principal Jamil Duarte. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you. So tell us a little bit about what you guys thought about the report and how the Hawaii Public School System is doing right now.
So I think one of the things that we definitely saw in the report, that as a department and a statewide, we are definitely still maintaining our scores. We were really excited to see that we did make 2 percentage point gains in our regular attendance as we moved to a new attendance metric this school year. Rather than looking at chronic absenteeism, we're looking now at regular attendance, encouraging our students to be in school every day. So what's really exciting is we did see that improvement, but at the same time, it is something that we still need to work on as a state in having our students come to school every day.
And that school attendance is definitely important. You said 2% increase. Can you tell us a little bit more about the high points and the low points in the report that you saw and how you can make those improvements?
I think definitely one of the high points is we did see growth within our schools, and definitely we're really excited to hear from Kipapa Elementary to share they were actually our school that made the most significant growth in one school year. So definitely a highlight. And I wouldn't say that low, but one of the things that we definitely want to continue to improve on is in regards to our academic achievement. We did sustain and maintain our scores, but that is something definitely that in the future we're going to be working with our new strategic plan in improving.
All right, and Principal Duarte, can you tell us a little bit? You said that Kipapa Elementary School has seen some great gains. What is attributing to that success?
I think really it's about my staff. They are amazing. They work hard. My kids really wanted to do better. And so what we really did was really focus in on our data. What can we do to improve? And really focusing on meeting the needs of each individual student versus focusing on the big picture. So we really take a look at the wraparound services for each child and what are their needs versus, I think, looking at how do we improve our scores. So one of the biggest things that we worked on was closing our achievement gap. So that was one of the biggest things that we looked at. We adjusted our data overview. We looked at what we can do, I think, in the classrooms in order to ensure that that success was happening.
Amazing. And, you know, as we wrap up, I want to ask, like you said, school attendance is important, and you know, getting children to the schools is also very important. So could you please give us an update on like the school bus routes and, you know, where we are with that?
So definitely, we did face some issue regarding the shortage of school bus drivers, which led to the situation. And as of today, we have 96 of our routes restored. We are very appreciative of Governor Green with his emergency proclamation that gave us a lot more flexibility in order to help remedy the issue. And we are continuing to work, and hopefully we'll announce that we'll have more routes restored shortly.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning and giving us more insight and an update to this performance report. And hopefully, yeah, we can see more improvement as the year goes along.
Thank you.
Thank you.